Yeah, let's introduce yourself first.
I'm Mike.
Mike, and what's your major?
Engineering.
Sergio?
Hugo.
Don't want to talk about yourself?
Well, we both Brazilians and right?
Engineering student.
Engineering students.
All right. And you?
Jennifer, engineering.
Oh.
Yeah, go.
I read white. It should stop on this one.
Which one is the white?
This one.
So it does more than one rotation?
Why don't we try that again?
Maybe try first the red. Take the white ball out. Take the white ball out. Oh, you are just pulling it yourself. You can use the. There is a DC. There is a battery. You can put the battery in there. Yeah.
How come the white doesn't you have to shine light on it to see it?
The white actually has these whites. If you see them, they have color.
So that's what it's seeing?
And also it reflects light. So
Green went right.
That stopped exactly where it was supposed to.
So it's green?
Green.
Okay. Alright. What about blue?
Blue and red will work perfectly too.
Blue doesn't work?
That does.
Can we try red? Just move the thing away. Yeah, and I want to see.
This is the red here.
Yeah. So your program rotates it only in one direction or in both? Can it rotate in?
Right now, just one.
You know what? Let's I'm going to turn the motor.
So put in counterclockwise. Not for now, I just want to
And it should stop at 90.
Okay, good.
Can do the blue one?
So are you using the same therapy? I feel like it's got to be the
You could move your camera a little bit up and that tube up a little up so that there is space for the ball to fall in. Let's do the blue.
This is blue here.
Oh, get it out of the parentheses. Give it parentheses.
Okay, good. Very good. So I just want to know, I'm asking this question to everyone, what has been the hardest part in this entire experiment?
I think it's the setup of the camera and everything, because it's really sensible. Like if it doesn't recognize the color, sometimes it recognizes the brightness instead of the color, and that makes it difficult because we don't know if the program is not working or if it's just the tool that we use, and that's not.
And how long did it take to build a program put those programs together? How long did it take?
All that had to take us, what, about 8 hours?
8 hours.
About 8 hours.
Yeah, I can imagine. And what is the thing that you would change about the program or the setup or the whole experiment? What would you do?
We change?
What would you change to improve it?
I suppose that we'd have to get a little more detailed to make it, tweak it down so it works correctly all the time. Unfortunately, we've had different motors every time.
Every time, right?
Yeah.
Every time it has been a different thing. Did you have to check your voltage, the threshold voltage every time, or you didn't?
Not every time, but few times we had to change that.
Okay. And can you tell how you are using the photocells to use to do this program? I mean, what are you doing with the photocells?
But to recognize
These photocells here, the rear cell voltages.
Well, it just we set it up so that it like those are the bases where it stops at for red and green, and then for everything else, it takes steps from that spot to get to where it needs to go.
Very good. So you are making the photocell location to rotate, right?
both
Like ground
bases,
zero.
the fixed bases, and after that we have to set up steps.
All right. Good job, guys. Yeah. It's been a long